Yo, what's up guys, welcome back with a brand new video. Today I want to have a look at the iPad Pro 11-inch and 1. At the time of recording this video, Apple is actually updating their website or possibly expecting a brand new iPad Pro 2022 with the brand new M2 chipset, and of course we might be expecting as well some brand new MacBook, including a MacBook Pro and of course the Mac Mini and other updates. So I got my iPad Pro during the Apple educational promo event. I got approximately $30-40 off plus a $100 gift card. Honestly, I do think that the iPad Pro M1 is still a very good option in 2022 because of the M1 chipset. It is basically the most powerful tablet that you can get at this time, unless if Apple releases the iPad Pro with the M2 chipset. But here's the thing, you can basically get a brand new or used refurbished iPad Pro M1 for approximately $100 to $150 off on the marketplace, which I would highly recommend considering how the iPad OS is currently very limited when it comes to the features. Basically what you can currently do on the iPad Pro, you can do it on its base iPad, such as watching videos or a movie, browsing on the web, playing a game, taking notes. On the iPad OS 16, even though they've released a brand new feature called Stage Management, it's currently so limited of what you could actually do. It's not currently most optimized feature, but even with the release of the iPad Pro M2, the only difference you'll see between the iPad Pro M1 and the iPad Pro M2 is that there might be a slight change in the build quality, in the size of the display, the quality of the display as well. Of course, with the M2 chip, you're gonna have better performance compared to the M1, but this is just going to be a slightly improvement compared to the M1 chipset. I also got a screen protector on Amazon from ESR. By the way, not sponsored by ESR or from Apple. And I got another case right here from ESR as well for the tablet. It was about $12 for the screen protectors. They're both tempered glass. In this case, it costs about $13-14. So yeah, without any further ado, let's have a look at the iPad Pro. I'm really excited. Of course, it is always nicely sealed. So of course, you got the iPad Pro right here, all the lovely Apple logo. All right, let's have a look at this. Let's open it up. Always very satisfying opening Apple products. Let's check this out. One thing I was not really excited was the delivery time, because there was a huge delay with FedEx for some reason. And here is the iPad Pro. Look at that. Oh wow. Well, this is crazy thin. This device is very thin. I got the base iPad right here. Just gonna show it to you guys really quick. This is the base iPad. It's the 5th gen. It has the same thickness as the iPad 9th gen, and I've got to say, holding this iPad Pro for the first time, man, I've got to say it's extremely thin. It feels very, very fragile in the hand. I have seen the many videos on the 2018 model where many of these iPads got bent. So if you're getting the 11-inch, considering the iPad Pro 2021 versus the 2018, they got the same thickness. They're about 5.9 millimeters. I would highly recommend getting a case, getting a screen protector, because of the risk of being bent. So here we got a little pamphlet designed by Apple in California. We got the user manual and all the warranty cards. Of course, we've got the 2 lovely Apple stickers. Inside the box, we are going to have the charging cable. It is going to be USB-C to USB-C. And of course, a power bank, a 20 watts power bank right here. Apple always has a great smell when it comes to the packaging. Always have to do that when I'm unboxing something from Apple. So here is the iPad Pro M1 itself, wrapped in plastic. Let's unwrap it. And here it is, the space gray iPad Pro, extremely beautiful. Got the Apple logo, and of course we've got the dual camera, the lidar sensor, and a flashlight that is missing on the iPad Air. First thing I recommend doing when you're getting your iPad Pro is to have a look if the device is bent or not. So far the device is in good condition. On the right side of the tablet we do have a little magnet for charging the Apple Pencil. Let's turn this on. Let's see if there's any power. And there we go, we do have the Apple logo. So I was really debating getting between the iPad Air 5 and the iPad Pro because of the similar pricing. So I did consider the iPad Pro because of the quad speakers. It did have a flashlight, 120Hz ProMotion display. It has a 600 nits display brightness versus 500 on the iPad Air. So here it is, the iPad Pro currently still have 70%, so that's really good. Let's unlock this. So I'm gonna set up the iPad for the first time. I'm gonna choose my country. And we gotta say the iPad is not only very thin, but also have a very beautiful display. And here we are, we got the iPad Pro 11-inch. Oh, I've gotta say the ProMotion is extremely smooth. So here, just quick comparison of the iPad Pro 11-inch and the iPad 5. We see that they both have a very similar body size, but the display and the bezel of the iPad Pro is going to be obviously extremely thin compared to that. Let's check out the case from ESR. I got myself a gray colored case for my iPad Pro. Here it is. It does actually look pretty good, I've got to say. And I did get a kind of a special case right here that protects the Apple Pencil, since I'm going to be getting one of those accessories from Apple. So here it is, looks really nice. The back is made of hard plastic, and yeah, quality wise it does feel, you know, pretty decent quality. Obviously it's not going to be as good as the Apple Folio, which costs way more than this, probably 3-4 times more, 5 times more than this. Let's put the iPad in. You can actually remove the sticker if you want, but I'm going to keep it for now. Here it is, the iPad Pro. Fits extremely well. The case is indeed protecting the camera bump, so it is not going to be scratched, so that is really good. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy watching it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got much more videos coming soon to your way. And of course, I'm going to have some updates on this iPad very soon and my experience on it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Let it go.